Today we are going to play Fireworks Playground. So I'm gonna try to get a private server so I can do fireworks by ourselves without getting interrupted. Don't mind my avatar. Oh my, how do I? No. Alright. Okay. Well, let's go get some fireworks. I haven't played this game yet. It seems like a fun game, yeah. Alright, we're gonna play this for 20 minutes. Hey Alexa. Oh, never mind. 20 minutes. Right now it is 11:27. We'll stop at 11:37. Alright, let's $65,000. Okay, let's get that. 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 What's like the best firework there is? I do not know how I have all this money, but I'm gonna try to buy the best firework. Come on, come on, come on, come on. These fireworks look crazy. Alright, let's just go with the one that we have. Alright. Let's go launch some fireworks. Let's go. Alright. Where should we do these at? Oh, this looks nice. Let's do it in the parking lot. What is this? Oh. Oh my. Oh my. I think it go far. Wait, hold up. Like a shooting star. Ooh. Alright. Ooh. Oh crap. Oh my god. Oh my god, we gotta run. Run. Oh! That was tough. Oh my. Run. Ow! Oh my god. That was boring, bro. That was so trash. Alright, this one looks crazy. Oh my. That one was crazy. Alright, next firework. This one, I think this is just gonna launch up in the sky. See this one in real life. Oh. That was crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Let's light all of these. Right, switch it. I light all of them. think it's kind of too late. Wait, what will happen if I just... Oh. I am not doing that again. Alright. How do we go back? Wait. How do I go back? Alright, let's buy some more places. Alright, get some new fireworks. Let's go. Jeez, so crazy. Alright, let's see. What do you guys have today? Okay. Level. Oh, there's bundles. Oh. Okay. Cotton candy. Yeah, let's buy it. We'll buy it. We'll do one of these. Alright. What is this? Looks crazy, bro. Let's get it. This looks crazy. This looks crazy. What else? Big battery. We'll buy big battery next time. Let's get one super expensive one. I'm gonna waste all my money on one super expensive one. So we could get Unstoppable or Pow Pow. Unstoppable or Pow Pow. I think we're gonna get Unstoppable. Okay, let's go light them. What? Alright, let's go. Let's go. Okay, I want to go to a different place this time. I don't want to be here no more. So let's... Okay, we're gonna go somewhere else. I guess we're gonna be right here. Nah, we can't. Run. And we can't go over there. Let's do it right here. Right here's good. So the first box that we have bought. How do I check my inventory? How do I... Don't tell me I didn't equip them. Oh my gosh. Guys, I didn't equip them. Gotta teleport back. Alright. Make sure to equip it this time. Let's go. Yeah, equip. 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 After unequip. Unequip. Alright, just go back. I think it was this one. Equip, and then we bought the super expensive one. Yeah. Wait, what? Wait, what? No, it's good. Be quick. Oh my. Wait, I went too much. No. Oh, it's right here. Okay. I'm gonna buy a lighter. I'll buy a good. Wait, what is this stuff? I'm gonna buy the. Oh crap. I didn't have enough money. This one. Yes. Okay, let's go. Lego. I didn't equip it. Oh my god. I keep forgetting. There. Wait. Unequip. There we go. Ooh, yeah, let's do it right here. Alright, the first one we bought was this one. So, I don't know what it's gonna do. Oh. That looked nice. Yeah, that was good. Our next one. Oh my gosh. That was beautiful. Wait, that one was actually really good. The blue was like, it looks so nice. Alright, Crisis. Oh my gosh. Bro, this one, yeah, that's like, if I saw that in real life, that would be crazy. This one looks super crazy. That was good. This one was more expensive, so I hope it's more better. Maybe it's just a different color. I don't know. Yeah. It was like the same thing, but that pattern was nice, yeah. That one was insane, bro. That was like El Diablo. Okay, let's do this one more time, and let's look at Unstoppable one more time after this. Ooh. Alright, let's do this one while we wait. This one was also like pretty good. yeah, that one is not the best. I kind of wasted my money on that one, but this one's almost done. Let's see if we could do. Let's see if we could do all these. Let's see if we could do all these at the. So if we could do all these at the same time. Let's try this. Did it not work? It did. I'm sorry guys, bro. It worked, but I do not know what happened. This one is crazy. Let's look at it again before we buy new stuff. That one is crazy. All right, let's go back to the shop. Oh crap. It's good. It's good. We're past time limit, but we'll do some more. Let's do like one more. I'm gonna do like crazy, cause I don't have that much money though. All right. Bruh. I didn't want to unequip that one. Alright, we're gonna do two crazy ones at the same time. We have 266. Let's try to find something that's exactly 265. Alright, let's get this. We're gonna do both of them at the same time. Sorry this video is pretty bad, but it is like pretty late, so I can't do anything really good right now. I'm gonna try to do better, but let's go. Oh wait, okay. Alright, let's do both of these at the same time. One right there. One right there. I'm scared. It was more of like Unstoppable. I only was seeing Unstoppable because like it's too crazy. But I will be playing this game a lot more. I will be playing this game a lot more to try to get more coins. But subscribe at 5 likes on this video. I'll do a part 2, but with way better things. I'm gonna try to spend like 600,000 on each firework. It'll be crazy. Yeah. Have a good day.